So the next one is write a personal information application that asks for several pieces of information and display them on the screen afterward as a summary. So we have to ask for things like first name, last name, grade, what's classification, student ID number, login name, GPA, enrolled in courses. You must use the most appropriate type for each variable. Okay, sounds good. So now we will name it personal information. This is kind of creepy, bro. I guess this is like practical coding, since if you get involved in like a school division or something, you have to print out like, no, you don't have to print out. You have to code stuff like this for the school. So I guess this is gonna be pretty interesting. Personal information class. Try to put in the main method. So public static void main string args, and then open curly brace, and then indent that one. So yeah. First, I think we should, I don't know. What should we do first? I'd say we should have the same approach as we did in the lab 3, where you had to like input variables and then print them out. Just pretty much do the exact same thing here. So first we need to have the import scanner thing. So we're gonna do import java util.scanner so we can actually receive input. And we gotta make the keyboard object that we're actually getting the input from. So scanner keyboard equals new scanner. And then system.in. I have no idea what system.in means, but just gotta go with the flow, I guess. Kind of like how it's a different font, though. That's interesting. So yeah, first, let's do first name. So we're gonna, system's gonna ask to, the system's gonna ask for the user's name. So system out.print. How would we ask this? What is your name? Could that work? Or should we have like, please fill in the following information? Yeah, we should do that. Please fill in the following information. And then we're gonna put line, since we're gonna need a line for each one. System.out.print. First name first. First name. We should have the space in here just so it looks nicer. It's not mandatory though. And then once we have the prompt, they're gonna input their name, obviously. So we're gonna have to intake it. I don't know what the phrase is. So we're going to create the variable and we're going to assign it to whatever their input is. So by to do that, we will do, wait, let's think. We'll need a string for this since it contains words. So string equals yes, no, string first, no, you got a camel case. Remember the camel case. First name equals keyboard dot next there. I don't think people will put in 2 first names, so I'm just gonna keep it as next for now, because you're supposed to quote unquote use the most appropriate type for each variable. So I feel like if it's a first name, it'll only be 1 word, so you'll only need next, not next line. So next one will be, what will it be? Last name. Am I stupid? Okay. So do the same thing, system.out.print last name, and then string first name. Wait, no, we're gonna make a string for the last name, camel case, keyboard next. So then that should intake their input for what they claim to be their last name. Let's try it real quick. Actually, I want to print it out just to test it. System out print first name plus last name. Let's test it out. First name, John. Mama. There we go. I didn't put a space in between, but that's fine. We can do that later on. This is kind of boring though. We already did this. But you know what? It's whatever. String last name keyboard. Grade. So grade classification. What am I talking? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know what grade classification means, so I'm gonna search it up real quick. Huh? What is a grade classification? I'm pretty sure it's like grade 1, grade 2. So we will ask outprint for their grade. Just like that. String. Actually, if we're just asking for their grade, we don't need a string. We can just use an integer. So I don't think someone's grade 13.4. So we're gonna do int grade equals keyboard dot next int. Just like that. And then next one, student ID number. I don't think there's gonna be decimals in student ID numbers, so we're just gonna keep it as integer again. So system out print student ID number. So integer ID equals keyboard next int. I don't know why there's random quotation marks, don't mind that. Yep, so that should be it. Next one. Login name. System out print. Why is there 2 brackets? What's wrong with my typing today? Jesus Christ. Login name. And then I feel like there wouldn't be spaces in login names. I think it's like a username. So we're just gonna do just a single word. So we're gonna do string and then login name equals keyboard.next. Next one is GPA. So we're gonna do same as every single one. Very fun, I know. System out print GPA. And then I don't think you actually need to do a semi double colon, but I kind of just like it. I'm used to it. Just like that. And then string, not string. It would be double, right? Let's see. Can there be decimal? I can't type right now. GPAs. Yes, but only to 1 decimal place. So yeah, there is still a decimal, so we're gonna have to use a double. So classify new double GPA. No, I'll make it all lowercase. Equals. What am I thinking of? Okay. Just like all the other ones, keyboard next double. And then next one. Enrolled in courses. Does that mean like what courses? I think that means how many courses they're in. So we're just gonna use an integer for that. System out print enrolled in courses. Integer. Oh, typo there. Whoopsies. Just call it courses. And then keyboard next int. Let's just see if the typing process goes smoothly. So first name, Joe, Mama, grade, 100. Student ID number, just 9. I'm a 9 student in the school. Login name, yeah. GPA, 100. Enrolled in courses, 100. No, 7. So yeah, All that input's good. So now we just gotta print it out. Why is this so repetitive and boring? Oh my god. Okay. First off, I don't know how this is gonna work. Display them on the screen afterward as a summary. So basically, just all of this. What if I like copy paste these? Would that work? And then change these to line. System outprint line first name. Oh, you gotta change it to equals though. Or do you? Let's check out the previous thing. See how that one went. What did I do in the lab? Variables. Yep, we did equals. Okay. So first name equals and then space. Wait, did I do it for all the other ones too? Yep, I did. Okay. So first name equals and then the variable, so that would be first name. And then next one would be system out print line last name equals, and then it would print out their last name. This is so fun. I love typing the same lines of code again and again. Grade equals. Man, coding could not be any fun. It's not Mr. Trudell's fault. It's just like the stupid assignments. Print line. Hey, I could be doing productive things right now. But nope. Typing the same lines of code again and again for the same purposes. System out print line. What are we on? Student ID number. Student, oh, gotta put quotation marks. Student ID number equals quotation mark plus ID. I should make this lowercase now that I think about it. There we go. Change the ID to lowercase just to match camel case. I think that's how it works. And then next one, system out print line login name. Not double colon, equal sign. And then plus login name. If you're still watching this, I don't know why. Like, this is so repetitive. Like, you should probably skip to like one of the hardest ones you actually have trouble on. So now, let's see here. Login name. My mind is completely blank right now. This is probably why I do so bad on math tests. GPA. System out print line GPA. Oh, you should probably include 0 to 4.0. There we go. And then for this one, we should have classifications. I'm just gonna copy what the worksheet says word for word. GPA equals and then their GPA. Like, what's the point of this program? They're inputting information, and then the program's like, this is the information you inputted. Like, how's that beneficial? Anyways, we're on the last one. Out print enrolled in, why do I keep putting an S? Enrolled in courses equals, then plus, and then 7. No, I'm stupid. Courses. There we go. So now if we run this, it should all work correctly. First name, Joe, Mama. Grade, let's say in grade 12. Let's say my student number ID is 500, whatever that number is. Oh, it's too big. Joe, Mama. 11. 456. Login name, I don't know. Let's put Ransurf. GPA 5.0 on a 4.0 scale. Seems legit. Enrolled in courses. I'm enrolled in 900. That is not 900. That's 195. So now here we are. I kind of want to make a new line here just for nice like organization. So where would we put that? Right before the first name. We'd have it right here. Let's do 2 lines just to make it. Oh, let's do 3. So now rerun it. E4 4 E4 6. That's nice. So now be sure to put in. Oh, I'm so burnt out already. Put in your name and everything else. Wow, everything's notes. Okay. September 27, 2019. And then it is personal information. A program that asks for the user's information and then displays it after they are done inputting. Save and on to the next one.